Hello and welcome to Learning React with Redux and Flux. My name is Sam Slotsky and I'm a full-stack engineer and open-source author working out of the Twin Cities. I spend the rest of my time with my family and enjoy hobbies like music and chess as much as I'm able. We'll begin our course with a brief overview of what we plan to cover. The course is divided into 5 sections. The first section will be an introduction to the ecosystem. We'll build our first React application and learn the basics of the component rendering system. We'll also learn how to style our React application using nothing but components, as well as how to handle errors in a React component hierarchy. The next section will focus on how data-driven views are built in React using top-down data flow. We'll see how props are passed in from parents to children, how state is managed in component classes, and how context can be used to provide data to descendants implicitly. In the third section, we'll learn the basic concepts of Flux, and then write a data store that's based on the design. This starts by implementing a couple of basic structures to define the shape of the data that will be stored and the different mutations that will be allowed to apply to it. Then we'll introduce subscription mechanisms so that our React components can communicate with the store. Along the way, we'll also be writing some tests using Jest. The fourth section focuses on Redux. We convert our application to use Redux instead of our own data store, and then proceed to build on top of it. This is going to involve retrieving some API data and displaying it in a list with search term filtering and pagination capabilities. In the fifth and final section, we'll focus on using React without relying on Redux. We'll test drive a couple of libraries that solve problems that you wouldn't typically use Redux for to begin with, such as routing and form state. We'll then explore how we could use React components for reusable data management solutions that don't require external data stores. We'll end with a look at the new and improved React Context API that's about to be officially released.